Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is how to show text pictures after clicking in PowerPoint. So guys, in order for you to do that, first thing that you will do is simply select the text that you like to have an animation with, and from here, once you have selected it, just go to animations over here at the top, and from here you will have multiple options that you can choose from, so it will be depending on you. And if you want to see more animation option, you can just simply go ahead and click on this icon over here. And as you can see, you will have more detailed options on the effects. If you wanted more effects, you can just click one of these. And now, let's say I'm just gonna go for the basic one. I'm gonna go for this wheel. So now guys, if you want to show it after clicking, you just have to simply make sure the start over here is on a click. And now as you can see, we have the number one over here. So let's say I'm gonna go for this picture over here and go for animation as well and go for wipe. And from there, when during the presentation, when I click on the PowerPoint, it will show an animation, and this will be the sequence. The first one will be this one, which is number one, and the second click will be this one, which is number two. And that's pretty much it. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See ya.